in today's video I am going to show you on how to learn Java without installing any software in your machine. Okay, let's see what are the things that is required for you to learn Java without installing any software. Okay, number one, you need a desktop or a laptop. Okay, a laptop could be like a Windows machine or a MacBook. Okay, number two, a good internet connection or a nominal internet connection is required. Okay, number three, when you purchased your laptop, right, by default you will get a browser. Okay, what is a browser? Let's see. Okay, a Google Chrome is a browser, Mozilla Firefox is a browser, Microsoft Edge is a browser, and if you are using MacBook, you can use Mac Safari. Having said that, friends, say that if you have three things in your hand and if you don't have the fourth thing, which I am going to tell, the most important thing in your life, remember friends, no one is going to help you, no one is going to come and push you, right? You should, what is the thing which is the fourth thing, which is the most important thing in your life, right? That is your interest and passion to learn. Okay, say that if you have a desktop, an internet connection, a Google Chrome browser or any browser, any your favorite browser, right? Nowadays, who is not having a laptop? Who is not having an internet connection? People are having multiple devices in homes, right? Say that you are having number one. Okay, number two is good, number three is good, and if you don't have the fourth one, no one is going to help you. Having said that, let's go into the next section. Okay, before we go and see how to use Java online without installing any software, let's understand the pain points if you want to run Java programs in your laptop or desktop. Okay, you have to, first thing is you have to download and install Java in your machine, right? Nowadays, after Java is brought by Sun Microsystems, it is not free anymore. It is a licensed version. That means you have to purchase Java, right? You have to purchase, you have to buy the Java software in order to install in your machine. And we have some other flavors like an OpenJDK, which is free, but in general I am telling you have to install in Java if you want to go to the Sun Microsystems website. You can see there no more Java is no more a free version. Okay, and after you install OpenJDK or the Java what you brought from the Sun Microsystems, you need to set up the environment in your machine in order to run the Java. Right? What is the environment? You need to set up the tools required to run the Java in your laptop or a desktop. For that, you need to understand what to install, which version of the software to install, whether to install 32-bit JDK or 64-bit version, right? After that, you need to understand what is we have to install. JDK you have to install, JRE we have to install, or JVM. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, where it provides all the required tools and the softwares and the underlying libraries and the dependencies. And the JRE stands for JRE, Java Runtime Environment. And JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Don't worry if you know all these abbreviations. In our upcoming videos, I'm going to try and explain each and every everything like in JDK, JRE and JVM. Okay, and after you install all these softwares, you need to set up the path and environment variables in your machine, right? If you have ever tried to install Java, you have to go to your account variables, path variables, and you have to set up properly so that whenever you go to the command line and type Java commands like Java or Java C for compiler, you will get errors because if you have not set up the environment variables correctly. Are you confused at this stage? Don't worry friends, I'm here to help you. Okay, having said that, let's go into the next slide. Okay, in my research, I found there are n number of tools available for you freely on internet without to do all this setup. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to show you the list, okay, in tabular format. Don't worry, I am going to give all the complete list in the video description of this video below. See the description below the video, you will find all these links available readily for you. Okay, in my research I found a number of tools available, so I thought of collecting all these tools and keep it at one place so that it will be easy for everyone who are new to learn Java, and it is very useful for the freshers and for students as well. Okay, even for the experienced people as well, if you wanted to try a simple program or simple logic, right, you don't have to open your JDE or Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE, right? You can directly go to this online link and can practice and can see the output. What I'm going to do is in upcoming videos, I'm going to take each link and I'm going to write a program and show you how to compile, how to run and see the output. Okay, next go to the next section. I have listed down these details randomly, but I did not do any research which one is the most popular tool. By practicing it, you can like and love any one of these tool and can continue. Okay, next go to the next section, and here we have programiz.com tutorials point. In our previous slide we have JDoodle, Broxy, right, W3 schools. All these companies are providing readily for you to we don't have to deal with all these softwares, right, which version you have to install, right. In the first video, in the first slide, I have shown you, right, what are the things you need to run the Java. Okay, next go to the next section where you have guru99.com, W3 grads, codeinterview.io, coderpad.io. Okay, next go to the next section, and this is the final slide, guys. We have Java Online Compiler, Easy Compile, toolfk.com, whatnot. If you see all these slides till now, friends, we are having around approximately 40 online tools readily available for you to start learning Java. Having said that, if you watched this video up to this level, I am assuming that you are with me. And before I end this video, let's see the quote of the video. Why I have told you the quote of the video is, let's have some kind of a motivational skills, right? Motivational quotation, so that we can push ourselves, right? What is the quote of the video, right? It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. Remember, guys, it's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. It's what we do consistently. So consistently we have to do anything, right? If we are good at consistently doing the things without stopping, remember, guys, remember my words, you can excel in your life. This is told by Tony Robbins, which I pulled up from the internet. Okay. If you are seeing this quote of the video, I assume that you are with me and you did not stop watching the video and you did not skip the video. Okay, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, leave your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you all, and God bless everyone.